The TE Nova is capable of working with the tracker or aligning based on the marker frame independently. Once entering the scanning window, you can define the scan resolution in the Scan Setting panel. It is advisable to select the resolution according to the object size so as to avoid generating an overly large mesh that exceeds the PC's processing capacity. If you desire more details while still maintaining a small file size, we also offer the Intelligent Resolution function. This new function will enhance the details in areas where the curvature changes dramatically by a factor of 2 or 4. Hold the middle button to change the projected pattern at any time. The cross lines pattern is suitable for rapid scanning, the parallel lines pattern is used for detailed scanning, and the single laser line is ideal for deep pocket scanning. If you need to perform scanning outdoors or work on a reflective surface, you can also turn on the corresponding functions.